Hi, this is Webkinz 96, and yeah, I just shoveled like half hour ago, and you can kind of see it's already pretty darn deep. So I just wanted to check the mail real quick, but I just want to also show you our nice little blizzard that we're getting too, if you can really see in the video. I mean, everything is just white. Whoa, and there's ice under the snow that I'm sliding on. Holy crap. I am still waiting for my American German Shepherds to come in, so that's kind of why I'm, anxious to check the mail. And holy crap, this is like really deep. And very hard to see too. Alright, well, come on, Giggles. Let's go waddle to the mailbox. Waddle. Oh my goodness, here, look. There's like my footprint, and Giggles is totally buried in it. And she's already getting so snowy, and my camera's getting all wet. Holy crap, you can't see down the streets at all. It is just stinking horrible out. I gotta make sure there's no cars coming. I doubt the mail has even come yet. I actually don't see no tracks, but we're gonna check anyways. Hold on there, Giggles. Nope, didn't even get no mail yet today. So, yeah, well, here's our wonderful blizzard. I am in like the northeast, so kind of like up by Canada, but not really. So I'm sure like everybody hasn't had school today. So if you're seeing this and you're home, I'd stay inside. It's really bad out. And try to stay warm, make some Webkinz videos, and have fun. So I guess I'll end this real quick and say goodbye and thanks for watching. Woo!